Hi, I'm Eric from AudioControl, here with a quick guide to setting up AccuBass on your AudioControl Line Out Converter or Amplifier. AccuBass is designed to restore the bass that's rolled off in your vehicle's factory sound system. Here we can see that as we turn up the volume on the head unit, at a certain point the bass starts to taper off. In this video, we're going to set up AccuBass on an LC2i Pro, but the process is the same across all of our products. The threshold knob is a sensitivity knob, telling the AccuBass circuit to turn on when you reach a certain volume threshold. When the knob is turned all the way down, AccuBass is always off. When the knob is turned all the way up, AccuBass is always on. A quick side note that AccuBass threshold slider in the DM Smart app works in the opposite direction. When the slider is all the way to the right, AccuBass is always off, and when you slide it all the way to the left, it's always on. So make your adjustments accordingly. The level knob affects how loud the bass is going to be after it's corrected by AccuBass. So with the threshold all the way down and the level halfway up, we'll start to turn our volume up on our head unit until we hear the bass roll off. Leave the volume on the head unit right at the roll-off point. Then turn up your threshold slowly until you hear the bass level suddenly jump up to a newly restored level. Now you can adjust the level knob up or down until you get to a point where the bass never sounds like it rolls off and never suddenly jumps up in volume. It just turns up and down the way it always should have. If you're having trouble finding the sweet spot of natural sounding levels, make small adjustments to the threshold knob until you get the perfect sound for your system. That's all it takes to set up AccuBass. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and leave a comment about other tech tips you'd like to see.